Today, it's all about the boogie-woogie. So boogie-woogie is all about energy, okay? And I've got lots of energy. Have you noticed? Hey! So, here we go. Have a listen to this. Etc. Okay, so let me break it down for you. Part one of it is just your C, E flat, and E. Okay. If it's a different key, for example, if you're in G, it's basically 1, minor third, and 3. Okay. So, okay, watch this. Try and get it a bit short as well. Nice and tight like this, listen. It's quite a firm attack on the first note. Okay, see I'm bringing my fingers up a little bit as well, the hands. Everything a classical pianist would say, don't do that. This is not classical, it's boogie-woogie. Got to get that energy in fingers. And in a way, you could just do that as a bass line, you know, just like this. So master that on each key. So we've got C, got F, and G. So if playing F, it's F, A flat, and A. G is going to be G, B flat, and B. And get it to a point where he's really, really confident. Just put some chords down, so like a C7 for that one, but an F7 and G7, just really nice and complimentary, I suppose. Do it with a bounce. Ah, that's a good idea. Play it with a bounce. Again, quite staccato, just short detached notes. Dynamics, you can go loud, soft, loud, so that kind of thing. Right hand on its own, just okay. If it's an F, it'd be an F chord, A, C, E flat, and F. Kind of lift up like kind of look, okay. Okay, and instead of playing it down, it's the way that you play it's important. You can push it to the notes. Okay, nice and energized. Okay, it's not. Okay, it's how you're playing it. Okay, now you can extend the bassline riff into something a bit more extravagant, so you can go something like, now watch this. Okay, so the second shape is E flat and A, or the minor third and the sixth interval of the major key. Okay, and then all we're doing then is playing the 3 and the 5 on the chords. Okay, it's not rocket science, but it sounds cool. And that will take some learning, okay? In F, the same thing. So again, we're going to go for the minor, okay? Okay, and we're going to play for the D. So we're going to go for the F, and then watch those two, A flat and D. So just practice that. We've obviously finished with the A and the E. A and the E? You're not E, you're C. I do question me sometimes. I mean, you do as well. How dare you? Here we go. Let's have a go on F. Okay, that sort of thing. And then G. And that's the basics of your boogie-woogie. There's lots of variations, you know, and try things out yourself. Just try different things out. So what you could do that, for example. Okay, and then you could go to the fourth on each one. So what I mean by that is, like, if you're on C, you go to the fourth chord, you go to F. Okay, you could do some shapes. Play your fifth in for a bit more power. Okay. Whatever you want to do. It just kind of like shapes things up. And the best way to play is slowly and build that speed and confidence up. So use a metronome to get yourself accurate. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bassline walk up, you just like whatever you want to do. Okay, normal chromatic works well. Alright, so you could start off like this. You see that? All we're doing is playing the same notes in different order, aren't we? E flat, E, G, C. Okay. And that's another one, to be fair. That's more of a roll. Not a jam roll. Left hand roll. See, another one for free there. Hey, nice one. Getting money's worth, aren't you? You're not paying. I'm doing this for free. You're kidding. I love it though, don't I? Okay, so have a play about with that. I think a bit of harmony on the right hand would be quite nice. Think about the accents. Boom, ba 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 doom, ba 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 doom, ba ba. It's all about the energy and the accents, okay? Okay, that sort of sound is what you're looking for, but make it your own. And again, this is just basically some help to get you on the way, okay? Take your time, enjoy it, and always remember, I'm always here. Hey, until next time, love your music, love your piano playing, and everyone, take care. See you later, guys.